Hey everyone, if you've ever dived into a project on Microsoft Azure, you know that setting up your environment can be quite the task. But what if I told you there's a way to jumpstart your projects and save a ton of time? Enter Azure Quickstart Templates. So what exactly are these templates? Azure Quickstart Templates are pre-configured code bases created to help you deploy complex systems quickly and consistently. Think of them as recipes. Each template contains the instructions and all the ingredients needed just in the tech world. These templates cover a range of solutions from simple web apps to more complex network configurations. Using these templates is like having a guide by your side. You select a template that matches your project needs and it sets up your initial configuration. This means you're not starting from scratch. Instead, you're kicking things off with a tested and proven setup. And the best part? It's all automated. You just click a few buttons, make some tweaks to suit your specific project, and voila, you're ready to go. Now, where do you find these templates? Easy. They are available right in the Azure portal or on GitHub, where the community keeps them updated and robust. You can browse through hundreds of templates, find the one you need, and deploy it within minutes. But that's not all. Working with these templates is also a fantastic way to learn. They give you a detailed insight into best practices for Azure configurations and can significantly boost your understanding of how large-scale systems are structured and deployed. So next time you're starting a new project on Azure, consider using a quick start template. It's all about working smarter, not harder. This could be your secret weapon in deploying faster and more effectively, giving you that edge in your tech projects. To use a quick start template in Azure portal, just type deploy a custom template in the search resource, service and doc field and hit enter on your keyboard. Wrap up your projects quicker than ever, folks, and let those templates do the heavy lifting. Until next time, keep innovating and see how much more you can achieve with a little help from Azure Quickstart Templates.